Hello programmer, I'm Adam from the QuarterTube team. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the top Python developer skills that every programmer should know. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this video will provide valuable insights and tips to help you take your Python skills to the next level. So sit back, grab a notebook and pen, and let's dive into the world of Python development together. With the rising popularity and boom of Python, it has become one of the most sought after and widely used programming languages in the industry. Creating euphoria among developers, one is bound to wonder what are the Python developer skills to become a Python developer. Let's have a look at the top 10 skills required to become a Python developer. Let's get started. Expertise in core Python. This forms the stepping stone for becoming a Python developer. To become one, you should have a good hold on the core Python concepts, which include the following aspects: data structures, OOPS concepts, variables and data types, file handling concepts, exception handling, generators, iterators. Let's move ahead and see the next skill that talks about web frameworks. Good grasp of web frameworks. A good Python web developer has incredible honing over either of the two web frameworks, Django or Flask, or both. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages a good, clean, and pragmatic design, and Flask is also a widely used Python micro web framework. Sound knowledge of front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is also expected. Moving ahead, let's see the next Python developer skill. Object Relational Mappers. ORM is a programming technique in computer science that comes in handy when we convert data between two incompatible type systems using object-oriented programming languages. It creates a virtual object database that can be used from within any programming language. There are customized ORM tools used by programmers. Moving on to Python developer skills, let's see the road leading to data science. Road to data science. Data science is an ocean of opportunities. Once you deep dive into the same, then there are certain prerequisites you should know, starting from your high school mathematics consisting of probability, statistics, etc. Other most common aspects of the same are visualization of data, analysis of data, data wrangling and cleaning up of data, use of Python packages like NumPy, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, etc. for data science, good knowledge of SQL, machine learning and AI. When we talk about machine learning and artificial intelligence fields who happen to fall under data science, you are expected to know all the aspects of data science from the beginner's point of view, and also be well aware of machine learning algorithms. It requires a good understanding of how to acquire data from datasets, analyze data, visualize data, produce insights from data, learn about neural networks, etc. Moving ahead, let's see another major Python developer skill. Deep learning. Deep learning is one of the fastest growing fields, which also happens to fall under data science. There are several aspects of deep learning too. You are expected to hone yourself in neural network architecture, but before diving there, start with data science basics and also know various aspects of ML and AI. Other aspects include NLP, natural language processing, video processing, audio processing. Moving ahead, let's see another Python developer skill. Understand multi-process architecture. Your team may consist of a design engineer, but you should also know how the code works in deployment and release. As a Python dev, you should know about the MVC model view controller and MVT model view template architecture. Once you understand the multi-process architecture, you can solve issues related to the core framework etc. Analytical skills. To become a good Python developer or be any programming language expert, one should have good analyzing skills. In terms of Python, it includes good understanding of algorithms so that you write clean and not redundant code, able to write optimized algorithms, visualize datasets in a better way, WRT to data science, build good websites, WRT web development. Next, let's see the next Python developer skill. Design skills. Now, when I talk about this particular topic, what I really mean by good design skills is related to the fact that you should be able to design scalable products, also implement servers in such a way that they are highly available. One should also keep in mind the frameworks of Python like Django or Flask while designing a website, as Python can work in both client and server-side programming. Communication skills. One of the most important aspects of any profession largely depends on having really good communication skills. If you are able to contribute to the team, do peer code reviews, and communicate in an efficient manner, then half of your job is done there. Even in a core technical role, you should specifically communicate with your teammates and contribute to resolving issues or helping others. We hope you found the information covered in this video to be valuable and that you've learned some new tips and tricks to take your Python skills to the next level. Remember, becoming a skilled Python developer takes time, practice, and dedication. Keep learning, experimenting, and building projects to improve your skills. We encourage you to check out our other Python development videos and tutorials on our channel. We would love to hear your thoughts on this video and what other Python developer skills you think are essential. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Your feedback and input are important to us as we continue to create content for our community. Also, don't hesitate to ask any questions you might have. We will be happy to assist you. Your engagement and participation are what make our community strong. Thanks in advance for your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest Python development content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.